This is the area, guys. This is 10 meter by 100 meter, 1,000 square meter or 10,760 square foot. This road going to municipality of Blang and this road going to municipality of Matalam. This is the commercial area. This is near and main highway, and this is the one small building. Good day everyone, I'm Randy Yero. I'm looking for investor here in Philippines, especially for foreigner people. This land is for sale near in main highway. This is going to the another municipality, and this road going to another municipality. This land is commercial land, and this is a good investment for you guys to invest here in Philippines. If you can trust me, I will settle everything. And this is the area. This is the area. This is my own business, RNG Lika Meat Shop, and I will show you, I will tour you the land. This land is 10 meter by 100 meter or 10,762 square foot. So this land is a little bit bigger, and also there is so many renters here. This is the area, and also there is a pharmacy here. Also this is the law office. I will tour you guys, and I will show you the all land. This is the area, guys. This is 10 meter by 100 meter, 1,000 square meter or 10,760 square foot. This road going to municipality of Blang and this road going to municipality of Matalam. This is the commercial area. This is near and main highway, and this is the one small building. This is my own meat shop, and also there is a pharmacy here. Also there is a office. This, if you bought this, guys, all of this building, it will be rent with you. It will be rent with you. So if you invest your money here, your money is, there is a profit. So this is the building I bought here, and then the land is not my own, so I rent. If you buy this land, I will rent you also. The rent of this, the rent of this is 2,000 peso. 2,000 peso is equal to the rent of this area. The land rent of this area is cost 2,000 peso or $40. $40. So this cost is 1.6 million. It's cost around 32,000 US dollar. So this is the pharmacy, and this is the law office. This mine, one building, and I rent the land. If you bought, I will pay you the rent for that land. And this is one building, another $40. And this is the area. This area is one building also. This is $40 also. And if you bought here, this building is belong to you, so we can ask a little bit extra payment because the building is your own, and we can ask little bit extra payment and extra. But this building, I buy this one, and only I pay the rent for the land only. This is mine, and this building, if you bought this, guys, this building is belong to you. and we can ask little bit expensive rent. This is the another $40. This is barber shop. See, this is barber shop, and this is law office, an extension for law office. This is the kitchen of law office. So this, guys, this is the all land, 10,760 square foot. This area is still vacant, and you can put your own office here if you want. If you want, you can put your own office here. And also this area until here is belong to you guys. And this area, there is small house, and until there, this is from here I stand is around remaining is 50 meters. So I will tour you guys. Well, this is nice investment for you guys. Your money, there is a profit. And also, if you can trust me, don't hesitate to message me and PM me or comment in my YouTube. This time to invest here in Philippines. And this still land. This is still very used land. Until here, until here, until the last. Did you see that that cement, guys? That wool under there, the land. See that wool, guys? You see that wool? Did you see that goat? That goat. So until the land there, that wool. So very used land. This is total of 10,760 square foot, 10 meter by 100 meter or 1,000 square meter. This is the land, and if you want, you can build your house here backside, and there is a road going to this land. And then also this is the best one, because this is the commercial area. If you want to invest me, don't hesitate, message me in my YouTube. The cost price is 1.6 million. So if you want to invest your money here in Philippines, this is the big chance to you. And you know me, you know very well me. I'm a YouTuber, and I'm not scammer, you know. I'm not scammer, and everything it will be settled. And this is the area. So this is the backside of this building. So we have almost $40, $40, $40, $40. So times 5, like around $200 per month. $200 per month. Your money, it will be every month it will be rented. This land it will be rented, and your money grow up. And I will manage everything for you guys. Don't worry, I'm not scammer. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a blogger. So everything it will be settled, guys. This is the land. This is the land. So this is used land, very used land, 10 meter by 100 meter. And actually this is the owner of the land, my uncle. 1,000 square meter, uncle, no? So 10 meter by
11 meters.
11 meters. Oh, 11 meters. So more, no? 11 meters. And ang padulong na natin to, uncle?
Ito, lapad bago ko nakuha.
Oo, daw mga 100 meters. 100 meters. So, 11 meters by, guys, I'm here. So, I'm not the scammer, no? You know me. I'm a blogger. I'm a YouTuber. So, if you want to invest your money, just don't hesitate comment in my YouTube channel, message me personal. I will settle everything, your money here. If you want to invest in Philippines, don't worry. Your money is safe. Your money is very safe to me. And I will settle everything. So the rent, the building, Uncle, imo na, di ba? So kung
dito lang hindi kay giasyon po nila.
So kung may magbakal dire, so kung may magbakal dire, Uncle, aring building, iya maging iya ang aring dire.
Kung maghalin siya, iulian lang. Pero kung hindi siya maghalin, sige rin niya.
Ang din?
Ang dito, kung sa kwan.
Di ang arita na yung law office.
Lopez?
Oh, ang kasi na building.
Markilani siya kay ginkuan ko lang ang iyang ang silver.
Di, pero yung building karang, yung building it mismo.
Ako na.
Imo na gini yung building. So, apil na sa price.
Itong lang diri nga gamay na. Nang diri nga gamay.
Ay, gigas to sana. Pwede na, for example, pag bakal naman, pag may mag-invest ng kwarta, baka ni, siyempre, baydan mo ni, siyempre maging iya na ni katag iya gid mismo ang mabakal tanan. So tanan sila magrenta na gid.
Magrenta sa
nagbakal kang lupa.
Nagbakal sang lupa.
Nagbakal sa lupa.
May kwan man sa bugado.
Pero ang arang building kita na imo kita na.
Ako kita na ng kolorop, ako na.
So guys, this is the building, no? So this is the building and the front is the main highway, right? So the building is belong to the owner. If you invest your money, guys, belong to you the building. And that's why I tell you, like almost more than $200 per month, it will be increase your money if you invest your money here in Philippines. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. Your money is safe to me. Just don't hesitate to comment and message me in personal. You know me, guys, I'm YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber, blogger, and you know, I build also my house. I have my own business here. This is the meat shop. I have a lechon grill. I have a restaurant, but until now, I don't have enough money, guys. I don't have enough money to pay. So that's why I asked the investor, if you want to invest your money here in Philippines, don't worry, don't hesitate. This is your big chance to invest your money, and I will settle everything. Don't worry, guys. I'm not scammer. God bless and more power. See you in our video and comment section. God bless. Bye-bye. Oh. Search lang sa YouTube Randillero. YouTube Randillero. Salamat kite, Kal. Salamat sa pagbakal.